How you doing, guys? It's Alessandro here from Spicymoustache with some new tips in order to help you creating your own green area, indoor or outdoor, following the principle of do as nature does. Happy New Year! What an incredible year we had. 2021 was a year of struggle for the world population, but at the same time we have to focus on the positive sides of it. I've been pretty quiet for a while because I had many projects going on during the winter. However, I have loads of plans for the channel. So dig up the like button, and today I will announce some exciting news. First of all, there are many collaborations that I can't wait to announce. Over the previous year, I've got commissioned different videos, especially one with Vans, which is one of my absolute favorite brands since I was a kid. It is great to see so many companies moving towards sustainability, and even if they are just trying to greenwash, which means trying to appear sustainable but they're not, it's still a great opportunity to collaborate, because in this way you can spread your message and target a wider audience with a positive message. A new collaboration coming up soon will be with BBC, as I've had the honor to create the introduction for the new series Planet Earth by Sir David Attenborough. I'm super excited to release it, and I also had the chance to have a sneak peek of the new series, which looks absolutely incredible. Also, I will collaborate with many different growers, including you, Richard, who has an awesome channel teaching people how to grow food, but many other growers will be involved, and I can't wait to announce all of them. This growing season I'll also focus more on the urban gardening, and I might potentially feature some of you in a new series that I have in mind. I will visit an urban mushroom farm and discuss with experts how to set it up, but also how to implement mushrooms into your garden to have an extra crop to harvest along your main crops. I will also have the chance to visit an urban hydroponic farm, which could potentially be the future of growing food in a city, because it could be set it up in a basement or an attic. And if you ever wondered how to grow food on a houseboat, I'll be visiting a couple growing food on a boat here in London, which is awesome because I always wanted to live on a boat. Also, the first ever zero waste restaurant in the world, how they managed their waste and how they created the space. I will meet and visit many more incredible growers and growing spaces, so you can all have an idea of what I mean when I say I'll teach you how to grow food no matter where you live or the space available. Since roughly October 2021, I'm working on something even more exciting that I've got commissioned by a company here in London called Watkins Books. I'm creating a book all about gardening for beginners or advanced gardeners, and I will explain how to start a garden and provide all the tools you need to take care of your growing space. I'll mention Nordic gardening by Charles Dowding, but also permaculture techniques like companion planting and natural farming like Korean natural farming, how to create your own fertilizer or enhancers for the soil, or also how to collect microorganisms to transfer into your garden and improve the biology of your soil. I will also dedicate a few sections to pots, soil, raised bed gardening, and tools to use in the garden, and many other things that could potentially help you to become a gardener with a green thumb. The book will be called Rebel Gardening, with roughly 60,000 words, and I released this week the official hardcover that you can find on one of my last posts on my YouTube channel, and I will announce the official release date throughout 2022. A few goals that I have in plan for the garden will be to use more natural farming and potentially create my whole range of inputs for the garden, which means fertilizer, soil enhancer, or improving the microorganisms without having to buy anything from the store, but creating it by using natural farming techniques. Another one would be to start collecting and using much more rainwater, which is way better than any other thing that you can find, including unchlorinated water or filtered. I also want to improve the amount of compost and worm casting produced in the garden, and overall trying to become more self-sufficient, reducing the amount of food that we buy from the store and producing the majority of it into the garden. What I want to create is a sort of closed loop where nothing goes to waste but gets transformed into something valuable that I can either reuse into the garden or at home. I will try to show more about my garden, how I designed the relaxing area in the middle of the growing space, but also how to maximize the production of food by utilizing every single space without leaving uncultivated gaps. I hope you liked today's video and the plan that we have for this current year. And if so, please subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification settings so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you next week for a new episode. Thank you so much for watching. See ya!